Not again. Right then guys, so as you might have seen by the start of that video, they've bloody had me again. I've decided now I'm not going to bother growing carrots in here again, which is a real shame because that's why I built this bed. And it's really deep, full of some really nice compost. Perfect for growing carrots in. But I come here this morning, look at the state on all this. Absolutely gutted. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get all these cleared out, see if there's any salvageable. Hopefully there's still quite a few decent ones in there, and they haven't had them all. Right then guys, so like I said, I'm not going to bother growing carrots in here again. Keep getting problems with rats in here. It's due to everything being overgrown next door, if I'm honest. But just going to pull what we can. Nice carrot there, that one's not been touched. It's a shame, these could have been some really nice carrots again. That one seems okay. So I do have a few that are okay, but they've just had tops off all the others. So I'm going to get this bed cleared out and have a think about what we're going to do with it in future. Might just grow onions in here because they seem to be doing quite well. Might pull them out as well and just get all this cleared up. Red onions seem to have done very well in here though. So, one thing at least. No signs of any rot or anything like that. There's quite a few small ones, but don't mind them small. There's a bit more taste to them like that. And these white ones we'll just use as green onions. I'll leave the rest of them in. Right then, so a bit of a disappointment on the carrots there, but nevertheless we've got a couple. Not bad size, but won't be growing them in here again, as it seems too easy for rodents to get them. But we've had a nice crop of the red onions, some really nice ones there, and quite a few small ones, but decent sized ones, and a few white. I'll just use as green onions or salad onions, and I'll leave them there. They can have them if they want. But going on for the future, not too sure what to grow in here yet. I'll have a think about it. Might do brassicas because it's easy enough to get the net over, or I might just stick with onions in here. Don't know yet. It's a shame because, like I say, it's full of really nice compost. I don't fancy digging it all out. Right then guys, so that's going to be it for this one today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.